know, y'all, it's me. It's me. It's the N.D.T show. And you know what time it is? Folks, it is time to walk through my backyard here and just show you what's going on. Let's take a peek. You want to? First off, we have stuff in our yard that's been here since Halloween. Look at this. Y'all know what that is? Did y'all watch my Halloween videos? Look, I can't believe this is floated out here in this yard and been here ever since. Here's another prop. Look here. Bird in the grass. How long's this been here? Y'all know what this is? It's a Halloween prop. Do you know what it is, though? Lord mercy. Trees budding out, y'all. We have green leaves on our little tree. Look. New growth for season 2024. What are these? Does anybody know? What kind of insect bug is this? Well, one pile, two pile, and one pile in the fire pit ready to go. Now we done burnt up 2 piles already. So we got 3 more piles to go. Yay. Our tulips, folks, have seen better days. They're almost completely dried up. Got 3 old violets came out and 4 red ones here that's bloomed out. There's the newest ones. A couple white ones and whatnot. But yeah, tulips are almost gone. I do not know what this is. It looks like a leash of some sort that they had their dog tied up, but there's been no dog here for the last 3 years. Well, let me take that back. There is a dog, but there's no been dog over this little area here. The dog does not come back here. So I do not know where this came from unless it was there long ago and I never did notice. It looks like it's gonna blow in and rain, folks. It is a cloudy day here in East Tennessee, but still yet, it is pretty. Ah, a wonderful swing in a backyard. How relaxing is that, y'all? Let's take a dip, or should I say, let's take a swing. Nice day for a swing. What do y'all think? And there's the tree that we cut off a while back. Remember I said that we cut it off so it wouldn't hit our house? Well, there it is now. Look at it, all greened up. Glad I cut it off. I should say, I'm glad my cousin came out and helped me cut it off. All greened up now. Now here is the saddest part of the whole video, y'all. Our neighbor's apple tree, well, no longer. There's what's left of the apple tree, folks. As you can see, it is uprooted right there. And it was blooming out again. It might have made something again, who knows. But it is no longer with us. Rest in peace, apple tree. You've been good for the last 10 years. So long, you have produced a well-balanced apples for the past 10 years. We'll miss you, apple tree. Bye-bye. Well, that wraps it up, folks, from the N.D.T show to you out there in the world. Where you may be. Good morning, good day, good night. Thanks, y'all, for watching an exciting episode of the